How to make chai. First, you want to pour in as much water as there's going to be chai. So pour in exactly as much as you're hoping to fill up in your mug. Then, you want to gather all of your ingredients. Start by putting the stove on high. Next, find a black tea bag. You want to put in as many black tea bags as half the amount of cups of chai you're hoping to make. Next, we add loose black tea. Again, this is half the amount of however many cups you're making. Next is ground elaichi, also known as cardamom. It's really up to personal preference, but we usually put in a spoonful. Now for some garam masala. You don't want to put too much, but just a sprinkle should do. Then there's sugar. We use brown sugar here, but you can also use white. And we do a ratio of 1 spoonful per cup, but this really is to personal taste. The last of our dry ingredients is a controversial one. So my family loves ground ginger. And when I mean loves ground ginger. This can make your chai quite spicy, so though it's medicinally good for coughs and colds, beware. Now we wait. We wait until this entire chai concoction starts to bubble, and when it does, it should look something like this. You want to go ahead and move it to low. And once it's been boiling for a while, we move on to another controversial choice, the milk. So different ways of making chai uses different milk. My family uses evaporated milk, any brand works, and regular whole milk. We usually cut a little hole in the side of the can and then sprinkle it in. This part is really told by color, so you want to put in enough condensed milk until it starts to look caramel, and then add just a little bit of gallon milk till it starts to have that whitish color. And then it's all about color. So you watch it boil, you might add a little more milk, and just wait, let it simmer until you have the exact shade you want. When your mom determines, after a few more adjustments, that is more of an art than a science, your color should look something like this, a little darker than caramel, definitely some South Asian skin tone. And you can begin pouring in with a strainer. The strainer is key because of the loose black tea. And voila! A cup of chai.
Wow!
A moment to thank Mom for hand modeling.